Welcome to Shom Achshava and the Daf Shir sponsor Lui Nishma Sam Yaakov Lea Bas Yitzchok. We're holding Bo Basra Daf Kuf Nun Ches. The Gemara Amud Beis brings that Rabbi Zera had an opinion about something, and when he came to Eretz Yisroel, he changed his mind. So Amar Rabbi Zera Shma Mino Aviro de Eretz Yisroel Machkim. Meaning, because when he went to Eretz Yisroel, he changed his mind. What made him change his mind? The fact that he came to Eretz Yisroel, and Eretz Yisroel gave him chachma to understand the Torah better, and that's why he came to Amisas Advar, to the truth, to change his mind. And this is the one place in Shas where this losh is used. Avira de Eretz Yisroel Machim, the actual heir of Eretz Yisroel, gives more chachma. And many of the Sfarim in all the generations spoke about this concept and the idea that Eretz Yisroel Machim has to do with chachma Torah. The Rabbeinu Bechaye in Parshas Ekev brings on the pasuk Eretz shall be miskinus tochal bolechem. So he explains what's miskinus. What are we talking about? He says we talk about the chachma of the Torah. In Eretz Yisroel, a person can learn Torah and elevate, excel in the chachma Torah much more than any other place. The atmosphere of Eretz Yisroel, the air in Eretz Yisroel, gives that koyach to learn Torah better. Avir de Eretz Yisroel machkim. And the Rikanti Parshas Achremois, when he quotes the Ramban regarding the Maila of Eretz Yisroel, where there you do the mitzvahs, so he adds the words, the Ramban doesn't bring these words, that Avir de Eretz Yisroel machkim, because HaKadosh Baruch Hu is in Eretz Yisroel. So when you're in Eretz Yisroel, you can learn Torah better because HaKadosh Baruch Hu is there. It's the makom of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. It's the makom Hashras Hashchino. It's the place. It's Chatzos Hashem. So that's why you learn Torah better because HaKadosh Baruch Hu is Mizgal over there. The Gil of HaKadosh Baruch Hu is over there. And the Vilna Gaon and Adaras Eliyahu, in the beginning of Sefer Dvarim, he brings that the Gilui of Torah is specifically in Eretz Yisroel, because it says Avira de Eretz Yisroel Machkim. He says that's why Nevuah ein a shoyra ele be'Eretz Yisroel. It's a question about Yechezkel Hanavi. Yechezkel Hanavi started in Eretz Yisroel, and he says that's why Yoino Hanavi ran away from Eretz Yisroel because he didn't want to have a Shras Hashchina. You have to go away. And there he says the big Yesod, the famous Yesod of Vilna Gaon. The pasuk says in Eicho Malko v'Sareah B'Goyim Ein Torah, meaning when Am Yisrael are in Galus, they're not in Eretz Yisrael, you're missing out Torah, because the place of Torah is in Eretz Yisrael. And Eretz Yisrael in many places, but one place is the Pri Tzadik on the Zois Chanukah on Ois Chof Hei. He goes on to say that this is specifically talking about Torah Shabbat Peh. Ikar Eretz Yisrael is Torah Shabbat Peh. That's what it means. Avir Eretz Yisrael Machkim. The Torah that's misgal in Eretz Yisrael is the Torah Shabbat Peh of Eretz Yisrael. And the Sfarim were full with this. The Magala Amukos, when he speaks about the reason Moshe Rabbeinu wanted to go in Eretz Yisrael, many times he brings the explanation. Avir Eretz Yisrael Machkim. Moshe Rabbeinu need to get to levels of Torah they could get to only in Eretz Yisrael. And the Lashon, which is brought down the Medrash, Rabbeinu Chai quotes it, Ein Torah keTorah Eretz Yisrael, ve'ein Chachma keChachma Eretz Yisrael. The level of wisdom and Torah you can get to Eretz Yisrael is unparalleled in any other place. And as this daf is learned on Shabbos Mevorchim Kislev, it's very fitting to put in an Indian here that has to do with Chanukah. The Beisaschor, Mamori Kislev Tevis Maimar Gimel, he asked, why don't you have Sfeika de Yoimo on Chanukah? Meaning, why don't you have 2 days like we have in Pesach and Shavuos and Sukkot? We have 2 days Yom Tov. So you should have also in Chanukah. So he explains with his Yesod that what's the reason that you have Yom Tov Sheni? Why today we have Alpi Machshav, Alpi Chasidus, Yom Tov Sheni? Yes, it comes with the Sfeika de Yoimo. But what's the meaning of it? So he says the Gedusha that comes in Yom Tov is a Gilui of Chochmah in the world. And in order to get the Hashpah of the Yom Tov, the Hashpah of the Chochmah, you need to be in a level, in a Kli to receive it. Eretz Yisrael Avira, Eretz Yisrael Machkim. So that's why whoever is in Eretz Yisrael can receive the Hashpah of Yom Tov in 1 day. In Chutzos, you don't have a Eretz Yisrael Machkim, so that's why you need 2 days to go and receive the Kedusha of the Yom Tov. But he says when you have a Chag which is done by Rabbanon, meaning Chanukah and Purim, which is Nitkan by Rabbanon, that they are the ones that give the Chachma, they are the Chachamim of Am Yisrael, they are the ones who Mashpia Chachma and gave the Yom Tov from the Tzad Chachma, so there you don't have to have 2 days Yom Tov, there you can get the whole Hashpah in 1 day. Maybe you could add to it more specifically for Chanukah, The Chanukah, the nace, was done in Eretz Yisroel. So it's a nace that belongs to the place of Avir Eretz Yisroel Machkim. So when you celebrate that Chag, then you have a special connection to Chachma, where you don't need to have too much, and you connect Eretz Yisroel right away, straight away through this Chag, and you get to the level of getting to the Kedusha without Tzveika Deyoima. We touched only some of the Mekoros that speak about this concept of Avir Eretz Yisroel Machkim. Anyone who wants to join the Shomachshava email list to WhatsApp group, please email shomachshava@gmail.com.